how do you choose on the polycarbonate sheet factories? And what is your most important point when you have to choose on the polycarbonate sheet factory in China? Qualities, price, service, or the cost effective? Let us have a look on the supplier in Alibaba. And if you care about price, we cannot make sure we are the lowest price factory in China of polycarbonate sheet industries. But if you care about the qualities, there's one thing we can make sure is we are developed factory in China of polycarbonate sheet industries, and we use 100% virgin raw materials in production process, and we have 5 international producing lines and can meet big quantity orders. And if you care about packagings, and every single product we packaged in craft paper and bubble protection films into wrapped every single product. If you care about the transportations, we are located in Hebei province and very convenient from Tianjin port. It will save your time and money in the transportation. After considering all the factories of how to choose a factory in China, I think you have your own choice about the polycarbonate sheet factories. If you only want a low price, sorry, we can't do that. But if you care about qualities, I suggest you strongly to choose a unique.